Hi students, in this video we go for the exercises of chapter 5 Rip Van Winkle. In previous video we saw the meaning words of this chapter and now we go for the prose comprehension. And this is prose comprehension that read the paragraph and answer the questions. The starting of paragraph is many years ago and the end of the paragraph is them long stories. You have to read this paragraph from the textbook and after that you have to do the exercises of this paragraph. Now we do the exercise that fill the blanks. Number 1, Rip's village was situated at the foothills of the dash. The answer is Catskill. Number 2, Rip was a simple dash natured fellow. The answer is good. And these two answers you can find from the paragraph. And now we go for the another exercise and these are true or false. Number 1, Rip was a kind to children. It is true because in the paragraph we saw that Rip was a kind with children. And number 2, Rip was a simple and rich man. It is wrong because in the paragraph there is no mentioned rich word, so we write here false. And now we go for the short question answers of this chapter and these are short question answers. Number 1, why did the children like Rip? Means children Rip को क्यों पसंद करते थे? Answer, the children liked Rip because he played with them, taught them to fly kites and shoot marbles and told them long stories. These are the reasons for that why the children liked Rip, because he played with them. वो उनके साथ खेलता था और उनको काइट फ्लाइंग और मार्बल शूटिंग सिखाता था एंड टोल्ड देम लॉन्ग स्टोरीज, उनको स्टोरीज भी वो बताता था. सो दैट्स वाई द चिल्ड्रन लाइक्ड रिप वैन विंकल. एंड नाउ वी गो फॉर द सेकंड एंड हियर इज नंबर सेकंड दैट व्हाट शोज दैट रिप वाज अ लेजी मैन. व्हिच things shows that Rip was very lazy man. Answer, Rip did not work on his own farm. This is the first thing that shows that Rip was lazy man. He did not work on his own arm. Weeds grew on the farm. Weeds means wild plants grew on his farm. His fences were falling to pieces and his cow was going astray, but Rip just wasted his time. These things happened to his farm, but he wasted his time. So this thing shows that Rip was a lazy man. His fences means his border of farm falling to pieces and his cow going astray means his cow was go away. For a reason of this we can tell that Rip was a lazy man. And now we go for the next and this is the third. Describe the man that Rip saw on mountains. Rip ने जो मैन देखा था माउंटेन पे उसको डिस्क्राइब करना है. आंसर, द ओल्ड मैन दैट Rip saw on the mountains was a short old man with thick hair and grizzled beard. The man that Rip saw was a short in height and old था and with thick hair. उसके जो hair थे वो thick थे and grizzled bird, उसकी जो bird थी वो grey थी. So this is the description of the old man. And now we go for number 4. Why did Rip drink the contents of the barrel? Rip ने जो बैरल के अंदर जो लिक्विड था वो क्यों पी लिया? Answer, Rip drank the contents of the barrel because he was frightened. He felt thirsty. रिप ने वो कंटेंट पी लिया क्योंकि एक तो वो डर गया था और ऊपर से वो उसको प्यास भी बहुत लगी थी. सो दिस टू रीजंस फॉर दैट रिप ड्रिंक द कंटेंट्स ऑफ द बैरल. सो दिस आर 4 एंड नाउ वी गो फॉर नंबर 5 and this is number 5 that what happened to Rip when he drank the contents of the barrel. means जब उसने लिक्विड पिया तो उसके साथ क्या हुआ रिप के साथ. आंसर, when Rip drank the contents of the barrels he slowly fell into a deep sleep. This thing happened to Rip that he slowly fell into a deep sleep. वो एकदम गहरी नींद में सो गया. Number 6, who was the old woman? Answer, the old woman was Rip's neighbor. जो ओल्ड वुमन थी जिसने रिप को आइडेंटिफाई किया था, तो वो कौन थी? वो थी रिप की नेबर. सो these are 6 short question answers you have to read and repeat in the notebook. Thank you.